Okay, now I discuss revolt of 1857. Causes of the revolt of 1857, class 8. 1857 revolt is the first war of independence because it's a war of mainly feudal king, lord and local rulers. Here is the political map. When the revolt was done, Peshawar, Amritsar, Jalandhar, Saharanpur, many provinces, many states, and there is the important center Meerut, Delhi, Awadh, Kanpur, Jhansi, Gwalior. Okay. Revolt of 1857 has many causes like political, economic, military, social, administrative. It started in 29th March 1857 by Mangal Pandey in Barakpur. Okay. The main participant and main roles are peasant, farmer, artisan, worker, feudal lord, local ruler, etc. Now I discuss political reason is that Dalhousie doctrine of lapse. That means one who does not have his next generation, his total dynasty was gone to the British or English government, like Jhansi Rani for the example. Okay, and economic reason, British or English government is the wealth of natural resource to Europe. They want to drain of wealth. They use the wealth of India and it goes to their own country, Europe. Okay, farmer grow crops which is more profitable. It's actually pressurized to the farmer. Handloom industry is totally fall. And social reason is a sati was abolished. Sati pratha was abolished. Widow remarriage encouraged. There is the many reasons. British were very angered. British not Indians. Yes, British or English government not. British government not. Indians are very angered due to these incidents. So they are totally participate in the 1857. One more reason is the British government was westernization all over India. Okay, and religious causes like Christianity, religion of Christianity. Hindu, Muslims are transferred to their own religion. They went to the Christian religion as pressure. Administrative cost, high post not get more salary. Okay, Indians who are holding high post, they not get more salary. Like English governments, staffs or British government staffs, not a British government, they are the English government or East India Company. The military reason is discrimination. Discrimination is as how Indians and others English government workers and their staffs who are belongs from India, they are neglected. Okay, Subedar is the highest post for the India. Mangal Pandey, 29th March 1857, Parade Ground and Barakpur, he start a revolt. And 9th May 1857 inspired Sepoy in Meerut. Okay, and the one more reason is the cartouche. That means a bullet. Cartridge which is made from pig and cow fat. That means flesh. So Hindu and Muslim do not support this gunpowder or cartridge. Then they went Delhi, and Bahadur Shah was announced that he was the king of India. There are many important centers I discussed. Okay, and Tatia Tope Nana Sahib joined this revolt. So many our prestigious personality. Revolt, the 1857 revolt is mainly in North India, main for their own self-interest. In July 1858, the revolt is end. Revolt was end 1858 because Bahadur Shah surrendered to the English government, the British government. There are many reasons why it is failure. This revolt is on localized, poor organization, feudal characters, better resource in British. There is a reason why is totally fall. That feudal character, better resource in British, no unity, and there is the good result. First war of independence. This is the first war of independence. Change ruler, East India to Company, to British India. Okay, Act 1858, and announce the Viceroy Lord Carney. Leadership of Queen Victoria. Okay, thank you very much. And lastly, I said that this is the whole map of India in 1857. I sent a message, not a country divided, a humanity divided. Now, always, country is only one, India is only one, and the world is only one. Okay, thank you.